Ang ganda talaga ng performance nitong bagong peso monetary ng AIA, 'di ba, na invested sa Global Dynamic Income Paying Fund kasi nga last quarter we had the highest dividend payout, no, annualized 6.05%. Just paid out this June 2026. And gulat talaga ako kasi considering the war sa Middle East nag-start last March. For the past 4 months we have performed really well, even actually better than the previous years. And tinitignan ko kung bakit. Possibly, ang reason is that heavily invested sa tech stocks yung ating fund, the Global Dynamic Income Paying Fund. Hindi naman sobrang heavy, no, but yun yung major holdings natin. It's really spread across different paying stocks. So, nakita ko doon sa list natin is Nvidia, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet. Yan yung top 5 companies na holdings natin. And again, dahil tech stocks to and AI stocks, hindi siya ganun ka-affected ng distribution, higher oil prices, etc. Hindi talaga masyadong tinamaan. In fact, other countries din, I've seen yung, I think sa Asia, Korea, dahil of the tech stocks din nila, has really performed well. So yun yung maganda sa Global Dynamic Income Paying Fund. Again, it has performed well and hindi siya ultra aggressive kasi hindi siya speculative investment. Ang goal niya talaga is to make sure na maximize yung return natin. Pwedeng kumita yung capital. Hindi siya capital protected like MP2. Pero ito, no, kumikita yung capital mo, pataas siya if the stocks are performing well. And then may quarterly dividends na possible na pay out. Hindi pa kami nag-miss since we launched noong 2024 here, no? So, makita ko sa inyo, ito, nakita ko, pero mo, from 2024, it all started with 4.27% nung first quarter ng 2024. And then all the way up, it has gone up consistently to 5.75% last first quarter of 2026 and then 6.05% nga. Annualized siya na. So let's just say divided by 4, no, for easy computation. No, ganun yung nangyayari. So meaning if you have, let's say, 1 million, kung 6.05% ang returns ng dividend payout, so it's around 60,000 a year yung pwedeng kitain ng pera mo. Payout yun na nade-deposit sa bank mo aside pa doon sa pwedeng maging returns niya kung tumaas din yung stock price or yung value per unit. So again, ang maganda dito kasi sa monetary na to, hindi siya purely stocks, no. I think 60% is invested sa fixed income assets. Oo, maliliit yung returns nun, pero guaranteed yung returns nun. So it helps the performance of the fund. Tapos hindi siya ganun ka aggressive, 'di ba? And then the 40%, yun nakalagay nga sa mga dividend paying stocks na. So maganda, 'di ba? So if you're interested with this, a lot of our clients are already putting in some of their money na natutulog lang sa bank or sa mga time deposit, or they're consolidating some of their other VULs to transfer here in monetary, no, kasi ganun ang ginagawa. Minimum is 125,000 lang. Insured ka pa as the owner or as the insured ng 125% ng total deposits mo, 'di ba? And then you get quarterly payouts. So if you wanna be one of the people who are enjoying the AIA Global Dynamic Income Paying Fund, ang fund managers mga nasa Singapore, 'di ba? True peso lang ang gagamitin mo. We will be the ones to convert it into global currency. 'Di ba? Let me know, message me para makakuha ka na rin ito.